Imagine saving thousands of dollars every year just by making small but powerful changes to your daily life. That's exactly what Maria, a mom of two, did. By using extreme frugality hacks, like turning her backyard into a garden and swapping babysitting services with her neighbors, she saved over $10,000 in just 1 year. Sounds unbelievable, right? But in today's world, with rising costs and financial stress, extreme frugality isn't just a choice. It's becoming a smart way to live. Extreme frugality isn't about being cheap or sacrificing everything you love. It's about thinking creatively, using resources wisely, and finding joy in living differently. It's also about controlling your money, instead of letting your money control you. Whether it's slashing your food bills, cutting down housing costs, or even turning daily expenses into income streams, these hacks are designed to make a big difference. In this video, we'll dive into fresh, bold ideas to save you thousands in 2025. These aren't the usual skip your latte tips. They're unique, proven strategies for people ready to think outside the box. Ready to transform your finances? Let's explore how extreme frugality can help you save big and maybe even enjoy life more along the way. Number 1. Reframe your housing. Housing is often our biggest expense, but thinking creatively can cut costs in surprising ways. Extreme frugality means looking beyond the usual rent or buy options and finding ways to live smarter. One idea is subletting unused rooms in your home. If you have a spare bedroom or even a basement, platforms like Airbnb or housing networks for digital nomads can turn that space into extra income. You could even share your home with a long-term tenant to cover part of your rent or mortgage. If you're renting, talk to your landlord about getting approval to sublet. Another bold option is house swapping. This is not just for vacations anymore. Some people permanently trade homes with others, especially in smaller towns or cities where housing demand is lower. This can save thousands on moving costs or mortgage fees. For those open to community living, consider joining a microvillage. These are small communities where people share utilities, gardens, and even chores. It's a way to live more affordably while building meaningful connections. Lastly, smart technology can slash utility costs. If solar panels feel expensive, try solar sharing with your neighbors. Splitting the cost of one solar grid can save everyone money. Also, prepaid electricity systems help you monitor usage and avoid surprises on your bill. By rethinking housing, you don't just save money, you also open yourself to new ways of living that are both affordable and enriching. Every dollar saved here can go straight to your bigger financial goals. Number 2. Hack your food budget. Food costs are climbing fast, but with some smart strategies, you can eat well without breaking the bank. Extreme frugality is all about getting creative and using every opportunity to save on food. Start with food sharing apps like Olio or Too Good To Go. These platforms let you pick up free or deeply discounted surplus food from neighbors, restaurants, or grocery stores. Another idea? Partner with your local community to buy groceries in bulk. When you split costs with others, you get wholesale prices without needing extra storage space. Growing your own food doesn't require a farm. Use vertical gardening in small spaces to grow herbs, lettuce, or tomatoes. Take it further by trading with others. For example, swap your extra basil for a neighbor's eggs or bread. This creates a community-based food system where everyone benefits. Get creative with food scraps. Vegetable peels and bones can be turned into delicious homemade broth. Overripe bananas make perfect pancakes or smoothies. Even leftover coffee grounds can be used as fertilizer for your plants. You can also save money through urban foraging. Many cities have public spaces with edible plants like dandelion greens, wild herbs, or fruit trees. Use online maps or local guides to find safe, free food sources. Finally, plan your meals around discounts. Check grocery store apps for markdowns or clearance sections. Build your menu around what's on sale, not what you want on a whim. By thinking outside the box, you'll save hundreds, maybe thousands, on food each year. Best of all, you'll waste less, eat healthier, and feel more in control of your budget. Food is a daily expense, but with these hacks, it doesn't have to be a financial burden. Number 3. Transportation hacks. Transportation can eat up a big chunk of your budget, but there are creative ways to save thousands while still getting where you need to go. One option is renting out your bike. If you own a bike, you can use bike-sharing apps to rent it out when you're not using it. This turns your bike into a small income stream, especially in urban areas. For short trips, consider switching to a cargo e-bike. These electric bikes are perfect for errands, groceries, or even commuting. They're cheaper than owning a car, with no gas or high maintenance costs. Plus, some local governments offer rebates or tax breaks for buying e-bikes, saving you even more. If you rely on your car, use dynamic carpooling apps to share rides in real time. Apps like BlaBlaCar or Waze Carpool let you match with people heading in the same direction, helping you split gas costs. For regular commuters, this can add up to big savings. Another hack is starting a pay-as-you-go gas fund. Create a system where your carpool passengers contribute directly to your fuel expenses. This ensures your car usage doesn't become a financial drain. Finally, plan smarter routes using navigation apps that show the shortest, most fuel-efficient paths. Saving even a few miles per trip adds up quickly. With these transportation hacks, you'll save money while keeping your travel needs covered. Less stress, lower costs, and more financial freedom. It's a win-win. Number 4. Clothing and essentials. Buying clothes and daily essentials can get expensive fast, but with some clever tricks, you can save big without sacrificing quality or style. One of the most creative solutions is joining a clothing library. These are like book libraries, but for clothes. You pay a small monthly fee to borrow stylish, high-quality outfits for work, events, or casual wear. This is perfect if you want variety without constantly buying new clothes. For everyday wear, try upcycling old items. Turn ripped jeans into trendy shorts or sew patches on jackets for a unique look. Torn sheets can become reusable kitchen towels, and even old t-shirts can be transformed into tote bags or cleaning rags. Another great option is community swap circles. Organize a monthly swap with friends or neighbors where you exchange clothes, tools, books, or household items. You refresh your wardrobe or toolbox for free while decluttering your home. When you do need new items, focus on thrift stores and clearance sales. You can often find brand new or barely used items at a fraction of the price. Look for seasonal discounts to save even more. By thinking creatively about clothing and essentials, you'll spend less while still getting everything you need, and even have fun doing it. Number 5. Financial innovations. Saving money isn't just about cutting back. It's also about using smart financial tools and creative strategies to make every dollar work harder for you. Start with a zero-spend challenge. This means committing to not buying anything new for a set period, like a month or even a year. Instead, you use what you already have, borrow, or trade. Many people who try this save thousands while discovering how little they actually need. Another powerful idea is the barter economy. Instead of spending money on services, trade your skills with others. For example, offer to babysit in exchange for someone fixing your car, or swap web design for home repairs. Websites and local groups make finding barter partners easier than ever. For everyday purchases, use cashback apps and tools that reward you for spending wisely. Some fintech apps even offer cashback in cryptocurrency or investment shares, letting your rewards grow in value over time. Try apps that gamify savings. These apps turn saving money into a fun challenge, rewarding you for meeting goals like no-spend days or rounding up your purchases to save the extra cents. Finally, invest in small ways, even with spare change. Apps like Acorns let you invest tiny amounts automatically, turning pocket change into a growing portfolio. With these financial innovations, you don't just save money, you make it work for you. These modern, creative tools can help you reach your goals faster while making saving feel effortless and fun. Number 6. Entertainment and lifestyle frugality. Having fun and enjoying life doesn't have to cost a lot of money. With some creative ideas, you can stay entertained and live fully without overspending. Start by becoming a mystery shopper. Many companies pay people to try out restaurants, movie theaters, or stores and give feedback. This way, you can enjoy a free meal, a new movie, or a shopping trip while earning a little extra money. Next, think about turning hobbies into income. Love baking, painting, or crafting? Sell your creations on platforms like Etsy or at local markets. If you're good at a skill, like playing an instrument or sewing, offer lessons to others. Your passion can pay for itself. Try joining a time bank to exchange services without spending money. For example, you could offer dog walking or tutoring in exchange for someone helping you clean your house or repair your bike. It's a great way to meet people and save on costs. For entertainment, look for free local events. Many towns host free concerts, outdoor movie nights, or community classes. Libraries often offer free workshops, movie rentals, and activities for all ages. By rethinking how you approach entertainment and lifestyle choices, you'll find that living frugally doesn't mean sacrificing fun. It's about finding smart ways to enjoy life while keeping your wallet happy. Number 7. Long-term frugality investments. Extreme frugality isn't just about saving money today. It's about making smart choices that save you even more in the future. Long-term frugality investments can create lasting financial benefits with minimal effort. Start by using home automation tools to cut utility bills. Smart thermostats, light sensors, and water-saving devices reduce energy and water usage without you even thinking about it. These tools pay for themselves in savings over time. Invest in your skills by taking free or low-cost online courses. Platforms like Coursera or Khan Academy offer certifications in high-demand fields. Learning a new skill or upgrading your knowledge can lead to better-paying job opportunities, boosting your income while keeping costs low. For your emergency fund, consider using high-yield savings accounts or micro-investment apps. These options grow your money faster than regular savings accounts, helping you prepare for unexpected expenses without sacrificing much upfront. Another clever hack is to batch buy items off-season. For example, buy winter clothes during summer sales or snag discounts on electronics right after the holiday season. Planning ahead can save you hundreds on big purchases. Finally, invest in durable, high-quality items for things you use often, like kitchen tools or furniture. While they might cost more upfront, they'll last longer and save you from replacing cheap items repeatedly. With these long-term strategies, you'll build a future where saving money becomes easier and more automatic. Small investments now lead to big financial rewards later. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. If you made it to this point in the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.